Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we'll learn how to create a pie chart in Tableau. Pie charts are a great way to visualize proportions, and with Tableau it's super simple to make one in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, let's start by opening Tableau and connecting to a dataset. For this tutorial I'm using a sample superstore dataset. If you want to follow along, feel free to use any dataset with categorical and numerical values. Once the dataset is loaded, head over to Sheet 1 tab. So you can see that the dataset has been loaded on sheet 1. First we'll drag the segment to colors and from the marks card choose automatic to pie. Now we'll add sales to details pane and under quick table calculation we'll choose percentage of total. We'll drag sum of sales to angle. Then I will add segment to the text label to reveal the text in the pie. I will also add the sum of sales to text label to reveal the percentage of sales in each one. And that's it. You have just created a pie chart in Tableau. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Tableau tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.